This video will explore the Claude Developer Superpowers stack, providing developers with new capabilities for agentic workflows. We are addressing the agentic bottleneck. Standard CLIs are often blind to live web and dynamic docs, have context resets, single-threaded waiting, and expensive default routing. Our Superpowers stack introduces web awareness, persistent knowledge, multi-threading via Git worktrees, and cost-optimized routing. Agents struggle with live web context, often encountering errors when trying to parse dynamic content. Our solution, Firecrawl CLI, allows the query to hit Firecrawl. The cloud browser executes the JavaScript payload, and the agent receives clean, token-efficient markdown locally, bridging the gap. Firecrawl gives agents autonomous access to scrape, search, and interact with the web. After a single install command, the agent can handle JavaScript-heavy sites and dynamic content automatically, without bloating the token window. For massive documentation, like 99,000 lines, a standard token context window would be exceeded. NotebookLM provides an infinite memory RAG solution, delivering massive RAG without token bloat via the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Using MCP is simple. Install the server, authenticate, and then the agent can ask NotebookLM questions about the loaded documentation, retrieving context-aware responses. The persistent knowledge graph is a key component. It shifts from zero-shot RAG to persistent markdown, compiling knowledge once and keeping it current, not rederiving it on every query. This knowledge is compiled from raw sources into an LLM-generated wiki, governed by a schema. The ingest and update loop shows how raw data is ingested, processed, and then generates new or updated markdown files. These are indexed, and the changes are logged for persistent knowledge maintenance. Autonomous governance is enforced by the Claude.md schema file, which acts as the master configuration. This provides disciplined maintenance, transforming the LLM into a rigorous wiki maintainer with self-correction capabilities to enforce formatting and linking. We eliminate the single-threaded bottleneck with parallel agent execution using Git worktree concurrency. This allows separate Claude instances to work simultaneously on different branches at full speed. You can launch completely isolated agents using --Git worktree add --. Each agent has a shared Git history but isolated working files, ensuring zero merge conflicts during active generation. Intelligent cost routing tackles the problem of high API costs, especially when using Opus for scaffolding. The Claude router analyzes prompt complexity and routes it to the most cost-effective model, cutting API costs significantly. The model routing matrix outlines the optimal use cases for each Claude model. Haiku is for low-effort tasks like scaffolding. Sonnet is for implementation and tests. Opus is reserved for high-complexity tasks like architecture and deep debugging. This is the ultimate architecture. A developer prompt is routed by the Claude router, leveraging Firecrawl for live web context and NotebookLM for massive docs. This feeds into the Karpathy Wiki, which then enables concurrent Git worktrees for parallel execution. Our key message is to build systems, not just prompts. Persist knowledge with LLM-managed artifacts. Distribute execution using Git worktrees for concurrency. Finally, optimize routing to protect your API budget.